Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid. I say welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. We are moving toward today's video, and in this video we will try to solve question number 10, question number 11, question number 12 and question number 13 of exercise 5.2 of mathematics class 7th Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And in these questions we will try to know what is value added tax, the abbreviation of value added tax, which is VAT. VAT stands for value added tax. Yes, in question number 10 we will try to find value added tax, which is VAT. Question number 11 we will also try to find value added tax, also known as VAT. And in question number 12 we will try to find amount of commission. Yes, and in question number 13 we will also try to find commission. So I am going to read question number 10. Ali purchased a motorcycle in rupees 52,900. He paid the 5% tax on it. Ali sold that motorcycle in rupees 53,500 and he charged tax 7% on it. Find the value added tax on it. This question number 10. Purchase of motorbike is rupees 52,900. Rate of tax paid 5%. Selling price means he sold the motorbike on rupees 53,500, and at selling time he charged tax, which is 7%. And we are asked to find VAT, value added tax. So here I want to define or tell you what is VAT. VAT is the difference of taxes which is paid at different level. So we are seeing that at purchasing time he paid 5% tax, and at selling point he paid, which is 7% tax. So two types of taxes are here, which is one is at purchasing time and one is at selling time. So we have to find the amount of these taxes, and the difference of these taxes will be called as VAT. Difference of these taxes will be called as VAT, or simply tax paid or charged at selling time, at selling, minus tax at purchase. This is called as VAT. Tax paid at purchase time. And this tax will be 5% of 5,209. Simply we can cut these two zero here, and if we multiply 5 nines are 45, we will write 45 here and 5 here, okay, and 5 twos are 5 twos are 10 and 4 14. So this is 14. We written 4 here and 1 is carried. So 5 are 25 plus 1 26. Yes, so this is rupees, we can say. In tax which is paid at purchasing time. Now we have to find tax which is paid or charged at selling time. So tax charged at selling time. This we have to find, and this tax will be called as, can be defined as, and which is 7% of 57% of 53,500. 57% 53,000 and 53,500. So we can cut off these two zeros with this, and we have 7 multiplied by 535, 3,745. This is the tax charge at selling time. Charge at selling time. Now we will find VAT, value added tax. This is tax at selling time. We can say selling time or selling price, tax at selling price, minus tax at purchase. Simply we can say purchase, or cost we can say, usually it is known as cost, tax at cost price, CP. Tax at selling price minus tax at cost price. Yes, tax paid at selling price, SP, S dot P, tax paid at purchase or CP, C dot P. This is known as VAT, and VAT is tax at selling price minus tax at cost price. Putting values, this is tax at selling price, this is 37.45 minus this tax, which is 26.45, and if we try to subtract, so this is 50,440,761, 3 minus 2, 1. Yes. So VAT, value added tax, is equal to rupees 1100. This is our answer. Okay, moving towards our next question, which is question number 11. A shopkeeper purchased a sack of rice in rupees 6,890 and he paid 4% tax on it. Now shopkeeper sold the sack of rice in rupees 7,900 and charges tax 6% on it. Find the value added tax on it. Moving towards its solution. Okay, I have already written the data of this question, question number 11. Purchase of sack of rice rupees 6,890, and at purchase time he paid tax, which is 4%. And after that he sold that packs or sack of rice in rupees 7,900. And at this point the shopkeeper charged the tax, which is 6%. So we are asked to find VAT. We are asked to find VAT. Yes, VAT. We have to find value added tax. And the formula of VAT, I am going to write it for you. The formula for VAT is tax tax at SP minus tax at CP. So this is our purchase. We can say this is our CP, and this is our selling price, this is our SP. Selling price is known as SP and purchase or cost price is known as CP. So amount of tax at purchase. This will be our first target, and this amount of tax is equal to a rate multiplied by CP, and our rate was 4% and cost of CP was 6,890. we can calculate here or simplify this 0, we can cut here. 2 are 4, 5, 5 2 are 10. And I have multiplied this 689 with 2, and I have got this 29, and yes, this is our multiplication. We can say that this is 1 3 7 8 divided by 5. We will divide this 1378 by 5. 1378 by 5, 5 2 are 10, 3 7, 5 7 are 35, 2 8, and this is 5 5 are 25, 3.056 are 30. So by dividing, we came to the point that this is 275.6. This is the amount X. Our next point will be amount of tax at selling. And how can we find this amount of tax? Can be found at rate multiplied by selling price. So our rate was 6% and price was 7,900. 7,900. So rate was 6% and selling price was 7,900. 6% multiplied by 7,900. These two zeros will be cut off, and we will multiply this 6 with 79. Yes, I multiplied 79 with 6 and got 474. So this is the amount of tax at selling. Now we find VAT. VAT is equal to tax at SP minus tax at CP. So SP is 474. 474, and tax at purchase or CP, this was 275.6. 275.6. If we subtract this from this, yes, I have written here 474 and 275.6. I am going to subtract 10, 6, 4, 13, 5, 8. This is 16, 7, 9. And this was now 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So VAT is rupees 198. Moving towards our question number 12, which is Umar works in a factory on commission. He got 2.2% commission on each item sale. If he sold an item of rupees 78,600, how much commission he got? Moving towards solution. I have already written question number 12, its data. I am going to read amount of selling different item is rupees 78,600 and rate of commission is 2.2%. And we have to find the amount of commission which Umar will get. Amount of commission. Amount of commission. amount of commission we have to find, and formula for commission, selling price may be a cost price, amount multiplied by rate, or we can say rate multiplied by amount. So this will be the amount which is 7,000, amount of selling which is 78,600, 78,600, and rate which is equal to 2.2%. 78,600 multiplied by 2.2% being out of 100. And to eliminate this point, we can write here multiplication symbol and then 1 in place of this decimal, and in place of this figure we will write 0 here. So this has become 10. Now this decimal point is not here, so it is 22. These two 0 we are going to cut with these two 0, and this 10 we can cut by 5 twos are and 11 twos are. So this is 11. Now we will multiply this 11 with this, and after multiplication we will divide this. Yes. 786 multiplied by 11. I have written here in rough work question 786 multiplied by 11. 1 6 r 6, 1 8 r, and 1 7 r. So we will put here cross of 0. 1 6 r, 1 8 r, 1 7 r, and after then we will add them 6 8 6 14, 8 7 15, and 1 16, 7 and 1 8. So this has become what? 8 4 6 4 6 divided by 5. So here I am going to divide it with 5. 8 6 4 6 divided by 5. So I am dividing it. 5 1 is 5. 3 6 5 7s are 35. This is 1. Now it is 4. 5 2s are 10. 4. We will put down 6 here. 9 5s are 45. 1. We will put point here, and we will write 0 here, and 5 2s are 10. So this is 1729.2. 1729.20 rupees. This is commission. And this is the answer. Okay, moving towards the last question of exercise 5.2. It is question number 13. Kamal works in a laptop shop. He got commission of 3.2% on each laptop sold. If he sold 6 laptops costing a total amount of rupees 471,000, how much amount he got as commission? So here we have to find the amount of commission. Okay, moving towards solution of question number 13. First I have written the given data or data given. And what is the given data? It is selling price of the laptops, which is rupees 471,000. And another thing is given, which is rate of commission, which is 3.2%. So these two things are given, and we are asked to find, we have to find what we have to find. I'm going to write, we have to find the amount of commission. Amount of commission we have to find. To find amount of commission, we will move towards formula. What is the formula? So formula for amount of commission Yes. Uh, Summation is equal to rate multiplied by S dot P or selling price or amount. So we know what is the rate. Rate is given, which is 3.2%. 3.2%, percent means out of 100. And selling price, which is 471,000, 3.2 by 100 multiplied by 471,000. Yes, to remove this decimal, we will write 1 here. Yes, this decimal is removed. Yes, and in place of this 2, we will write here 0. Now we have 3, 0, 2 and 3. Yes, 3 0 are removed. So this is 32 and this is 471. So we will multiply this 32 with 471. Yes, I have written 471 and 32. Yes, in rough work side. And now I am going to multiply it. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 4 will be here, this 14, 4 is here and 1 is here. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. So in place of this 2, we will write cross or 0. We can write 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. We have written 1 here and 2 is carry. 3 4s are 12, 12 or 2 14. These 2 we have removed. 2, 3 4 7, 9 1 10, 1 carry, 4 1 5, 1. So this is 15072. We can say this is rupees 15072, or we can read it as 15,072. 15,070. And what is this? This is amount of commission. Or commission. Simply we can say COLLISIO. This is commission, and this was our amount of commission, and we have found it, and this is our answer. In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Subscribe for more lessons. Learn with Muhammad Sajid.